Ask me your question. What is your question?
Sir, I asked the question, sir, I for I cap minus 3G or J, sir.
J.
It was my question.
No, no. Of course, J. Of course, J. Of
Oh,
course,
G, G, yes, sir.
J, not G. Okay.
J, okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
J.
I,
J
J.
for vector.
Every time I, J, K. These are the vectors. Okay. I will explain what is I, what
Okay,
is
sir. Okay, sir.
J, and
Yes, yes.
in the drawing format also you can also show something as a line. I mean the vector can be also presented as lines, and there will be a direction. So how? Say this is
Okay,
a
sir.
line and it is say it is p vector. Okay, and there is another line, say this is another line and it is q vector, and I'm giving another line, okay, like this is r vector. So by line also you can represent vector. Okay, now try to understand. If I say all these are vector, everyone will have a value, that is magnitude, and at the same time a direction. So direction is understood clearly when you draw the line, there is arrow mark, so you understand what is the direction. And another thing is value or magnitude, that is actually the length of the line, that is actually the length of the line. So if one line is bigger, then the vector is more powerful, more stronger. Okay, if the line is small, then the vector is weaker. Okay, not many powerful. So say for r we have two units here. Say this is one unit and then another, so it is 2 unit long. Say for 3 I mean for q it is 3 unit. Q 3 unit, 1 2 3 unit long, and for p it is also 3 unit, 1 2 3, like that. Okay, so 3 unit is the length of the line. So you can say magnitude of p and magnitude of q are same, because this is also 3 unit and this is also 3 unit possible. So magnitude same possible, but they are not the same vector because the directions are different. P is going in one direction and Q is going in another direction, so they are different. And for R it is also different because it has a different magnitude, 2 unit, and then the direction is also different. Okay, you understand my point? Now let me give you another example on this. Say by P you are actually saying that this is a velocity, and the velocity is 60 kilometer per hour. So P is the vector which is 60 kilometer per hour, because velocity is vector term, we already know. And say we are thinking that this is the direction of that velocity or the vector, which is from say from Rajshahi, say from Rajshahi to Dhaka.
By mute karo সবাই।
Is that okay? Any problem you have? Someone's mic, someone's mic is giving us noise. Is that Shafin Ahmed? Shafin's mic?
Yes, sir.
Shafin Ahmed's mic is giving us noise, maybe.
Yes, sir.
So I can mute him also. Okay, so let us continue. So I'm saying P is the vector and this is 3 unit and it is 60 kilometer per hour vector, and the direction is Rajshahi to Dhaka. So that is the vector. Say we are thinking in this way. Here, if this is the situation, then Q can be also 60 kilometer per hour, because this is also 3 unit. Is that okay? You understand my example? And if you think about r, it will be, what will be the velocity for r in this case? Do you understand what will be the velocity for r? Who can say what is the velocity for r?
40.
40 kilometer per hour. Yes, you are right. That's what I wanted to tell actually. Everyone understands, right? It will be 40 kilometer per hour. It is correct. Everyone understands this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So if you understand this, then it means the unit is per unit, every unit is actually 20
20
kilometer per
kilometer.
hour.
Yes.
So the first one is 3 unit, 60 kilometer per hour. Then in the same way, 2 unit can be 40 kilometer per hour. Now tell me what will be the direction if the r vector starts from Dhaka. This is the starting point. It is Dhaka. So Rajshahi to Dhaka, Rajshahi to Dhaka, and then it is going in that direction. So what can be the target? What can be the destination? কি হইতে পারে বলো? ডেস্টিনেশন ঢাকা থেকে কি হইতে পারে? What can be the destination for us? You have any idea? No
Dhaka,
idea?
Dhaka, then Dhaka to.
মনে করো, if you think about our map, then what will happen? If you think about our map of Bangladesh, then what will be the destination for us? Rajshahi to Dhaka, and then Dhaka to, if this is the direction, then
Shamoli.
ঢাকা টু শ্যামলী কেমন? শ্যামলী তো ঢাকার মধ্যেই,
স্যার ঢাকার বাইরে চিন্তা করতে হবে। আমি
right?
চিন্তা করতেছিলাম, actually I was thinking that Dhaka, Mohali, then if I go right,
no,
then it will be Shamoli.
No, this is Rajshahi to another city, another big city, and Dhaka, and then another town or city, district. Okay. So someone said Khulna. Okay. So Khulna, Mita Pari, it is okay. There is nothing wrong. But maybe Khulna will be in this direction. Don't you think Khulna will be in this direction?
Yes, sir. So in that direction is Chittagong.
Chittagong, maybe, yes, possible. Cox's Bazar, Chittagong, possible, right? So,
Yes.
so this may be Chittagong and possible. Now you understand what is the vector and what is the meaning of direction and magnitude. Is that okay? So if you think about Rajshahi to Dhaka vector, and this is 60 kilometer per hour, that means someone is coming from Rajshahi to Dhaka in a 60 kilometer per hour speed. Okay, and the speed is slower. The speed is slower when it is going to Chittagong from Dhaka, and the speed is 40 kilometer per hour, right? So this is the situation. Just I am giving one example. So let me just erase this part, the program. Let me go back to 3i and 2j. So when we call 3i and 2j, then we actually consider the x-axis and y-axis kind of thing. I'm saying kind of thing because it is not exactly the geometry. We are not saying that this is geometry, x-axis, y-axis. But it is like that. It is exactly like that. You can consider in that way. So the starting point is the origin, that is O, and it is actually 0 point, and then you move for a vector, you move 3 units right, and then 2 units up. 2 units up means same scale, same unit. You will have the horizontal thing, what we call usually x-axis. Okay, I'm not writing x. And the vertical axis, what we call normally y-axis. Okay, so I'm not writing y, but I'm just saying to make you understand. So for a vector, it is 3 unit right side and 2 unit up. So this is the end point. So what is the starting point? Starting point is always 0, 0 point, and ending point may be different. It depends on the vector given. So in this example, it is 3i 2j, and we must have one arrow mark. So 3i means I direction means the horizontal direction, and j direction means the vertical direction. So if you think about geometry, you can write this point as 3, 2. That is also possible. Like geometry, the point is 3, 2, and the vector is a, that is a line, and that line starts from O and it is coming to this point. Okay, so this is the situation. And if you think about the second vector in the same way, you will uh, go 4 units right, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 units right side and 3 units down. 3 units vertical direction, so it is minus, so we are going down. So we are going 3 units down, 3 units down. So that will be the end point, that will be the last point. So if you add these two things, and then you will find out the vector b here. So the vector b is actually 4i minus 3j, and it is actually with direction, obviously the arrow mark must be given, and then you can put the coordinate of the point. I mean, you do not need to put this in vector. I'm just saying to make you understand clearly, according to geometry style, this is 4, 3 point. Okay, the vector is this. Now, if it is clear, then you can think of what will be the vector 2a. What is 2a? That means double of the vector. So if this is the vector, and if it is 60 kilometer per hour, and if it is the direction like Dhaka to Sylhet, so it is going like, okay, Dhaka to Rajshahi to ওই দিকে হওয়ার কথা, তাই না? Isn't it?
Sir, it's Dhaka to Sylhet.
Okay, so that is why I'm saying Dhaka to Sylhet. Okay, একটু ম্যাপ নিয়ে একটু প্যাচ লাগে যেতেছে ছোট ছোট, তাই না? Okay, so no, it's okay. This is fun. This is fun. It is okay. So just for example, say we are saying this is the a vector and it is Dhaka to Sylhet. Don't worry about that. So what is 2a? 2a means the Dhaka to Sylhet direction will be same, but the velocity will be double. 2 means
So
2 times double.
6 and 4.
Exactly. So in this format, you will just multiply 3i 2j, multiply this thing by 2. So it will be 6i and 6i and 2j, 4j.
4j.
Yes. So if you show the vector on graph, if you show this same thing on graph paper, then it will be just double of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and it will go like this. It will be just like this. You understand what I'm saying? So that last point will be 6, 4, and the vector direction will be same. The whole thing will be just double in length, and this is the understanding. So what about minus b? What about minus b? If I do minus b, then what is actually being done here? We are actually doing -1 into b. We are actually doing -1 into b. So -1 into b means
minus
-6i,
2.
-6i, and then
Sir, 4i.
-4j. Oh no, not sorry,
No,
sorry,
No,
sir.
sir.
not
4i.
this one.
4i minus
No, no,
3j.
not this one. Yeah, I'm doing this. It is b.
Yes,
So
sir.
minus
minus 4.
4i
Plus
and then plus
Plus 3j.
3j. Yes,
3.
correct, correct. So this is minus b. So what will happen in the graph? It will be
Just
4 times left side and then 3 times
Times
up.
upper.
Okay, 3 times
that's
upward.
the opposite direction of this b.
Exactly. So it will be just opposite direction of the v vector, and it will be of same length. It will be of same length. It will be of same length, but just direction will be opposite. That will be v. Okay. Same length. If you want to think about the point, it will be
Minus
-4,
4, 3.
-4, 3 point. So this is very simple to understand. Now, let us talk about how can you find the length of the vector, that is the magnitude. Length of the vector, that is the magnitude. So if you want to find the length of vector, say for A, what we do, we write like this, that is the length of the vector. I am writing in the lower part. So this is the length of the vector, or you can say value of the vector, or you can say
Magnitude.
magnitude of the vector. And that will be actually the formula is root over then 3 square
All
plus
values square.
2 square. Yes, yes, all value square, right, and then plus. So in this case it will be 3 square plus 2 square, so it will be root over 13, and 13 may be 4 point something, so maybe what, 4.6, something like this. If you have calculators,
Sir,
someone write.
3.6.
Yes, 3.6, right, right. It is not 4, yes, 3.6, because it is below 16. So
16. So,
below 16 means not 4, 3. Yes, it is right, 3.6. So what we understand by this? We understand the length of A. This length of A is actually 3.6. Okay, 3.6 means what? 3.6 unit. So this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, like that. And then directly, if you put a scale, if you put a ruler directly on the line, that will be 3, then point something, 3.6, something like this. Okay, this is the understanding. Now, if you want to find out the value of 2a, in the same way you can find, and that will be double of the a vector. Okay, this is very easy to understand. I'm not going to show this. Maybe you can do this by yourself. Okay. What about the magnitude of b and magnitude of minus b? Is it different or the same? I am saying if you find out the magnitude of b and magnitude of minus b, then what will happen? Will it be same or not same?
Same.
same. Same,
The
sir.
same.
Exactly. So how it will be same? If you do this b or minus b magnitude, you can use the formula, same formula, and you can find out the same answer. So what is the answer here actually? This is 5. How it is coming 5? You can think -4 square then plus 3 square, or you can also think +4 square then -3 square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in both way, actually you will get the same answer. In both way, you will get the same answer. After doing the square root, it will be actually 5.
5.
It will be actually 5. 16 plus 9, 25, and root over, so 5.
Yes, sir. Root over 25.
Okay. So what does that mean? That means this length is 5, and if it is minus b, that is also 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Okay, so that is the magnitude and direction. Oh, not direction. Direction to boli nai. Let me just tell you the direction quickly also. I'm doing a little hurry because we do not have enough time. So let me just see the direction. Before that, let me clear this thing. I'm not erasing the diagram because I want to show you the direction in the diagram also. So let us find out the direction for A. Okay, what will be the direction for A? So direction will be found or represented by angle. Direction will be represented by angle. So if you think about what is the direction of A, it will be actually an angle. So normally we call this angle a theta, and this is the formula is, I'm writing formula and then I will tell you the general formula. It is actually tan inverse
10 inverse 1.
Y
and then y value
Y by
by x
X.
value.
Yes, sir.
So in this case it will be 2 by 3. That is the number with j will be in the upper side and number with I will be in the lower side. So y value by x value. So this is someone can find this out from
33.69 degree.
yes. So it will be 33.7 degree almost. So what is the 33.7 degree in our graph? The degree is this one. This one is the degree, that is 33.7 degree, which is the angle for vector A
A.
with the horizontal line. So it is very important, every time this angle will be with the horizontal line, every time. Now you tell me, if this is Dhaka, the origin, if this is Dhaka and the final destination is Sylhet, if this is the target or destination Sylhet, then how do you understand by this 33.7 degree? So that means there will be the horizontal line. So how the horizontal line, I mean, in terms of map, the map is the upper one is north, right? And the lower one is south, right? And
Yes,
the
sir.
right one is what? East,
East.
right? And the left one
West.
is west. So you will say this is the east line on the map, and if you use 33.7 degree, then you will go to Sylhet from Dhaka. So that is the understanding of the direction of vector. Is that okay? Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understands this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is the main thing. Now if you think about minus B direction, that is Dhaka from, maybe this is what, Pabna or not Pabna, Nator, maybe Nator or Noga. Okay,
Sir, Bogura.
Bogura, yes, maybe possible. Say Bogura. So if it is Dhaka to Bogura, then what will be the angle? Angle will be this angle, right? You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Angle will be this angle. So what will be the angle here? এমনি একটা আন্দাজ করে বলো কত হইতে পারে? More than 90 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
And আরো কত বেশি?
120 degree.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
মাঝামাঝি থেকে একটু বেশি মনে হচ্ছে।
20.
Oh, okay.
150.
That's about 150 or 55.
145 degree, sir.
140 or 145 এরকম হতে পারে, তাই না? এরকম হতে পারে, রাইট?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ওকে, তাহলে এটা বি এর ডিরেকশনটা বাইর করো, বি এর ডিরেকশনটা বাইর করো, দেখি কত হয়। বি এর ডিরেকশন, দ্যাট ইজ tan inverse
144 হবে।
ওকে, মানে মাইনাস বি এর ডিরেকশন বার করতেছি, অসুবিধা নাই, ওই দুইটা মাইনাস তো একই হয়ে যাবে। সো দ্যাট উইল বি 3 বাই -4 অ্যাকচুয়ালি। সো কত আসতেছে? ও 144 বের করে ফেলছো অলরেডি।
স্যার -36 আসে এখানে।
ওকে গুড। তো -36 মানে -36 করলে কত ডিগ্রি? তুমি তো -36 হচ্ছে এইটা।
0.86. Yes, sir.
This angle is -36 degree. So actually in the other side you subtract this from 180 degree, তাহলে তুমি বাই করতে পারবা কত আসবে?
144.
That's তো ঠিকই আছে। So we all are right. So it is nearly 145. Okay, you got this point?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we understand the vector direction and magnitude, and that is all for today. And the formula, what I wanted to tell you, actually this is the last thing, the formula, general formula. Okay, if you want to find the magnitude, okay, if you want to find the magnitude of any vector, so that will be, say for a vector, it will be root over x square plus y square. That is the generally written formula. And if you want to find the direction, direction means it is actually angle. Okay, direction means it is actually angle. So that angle will come like, you can write theta. So it will be tan inverse y by x. Be careful, not x by y by x. So y is the vertical number and x is the horizontal number. So these are the two formula, and we will continue with this topic and three-dimensional vector also in the next class. Okay, so these are the two-dimensional. Why two-dimensional? Because we are considering I and j, x-axis, y-axis only. So this is two-dimensional. If we consider x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, that will be three-dimensional, and we will have I, j, k. Okay, so there are other things, dot product, cross products, we will understand and discuss. So this is all for today.